Pampanga. It was in the 18th century when the Spanish missionaries brought this image to Bahay Pare, Tandaba, Pampanga, which promptly established the Virgin as patroness. It is also believed that the first image with this temple arrived in the Philippines accompanied by the brothers of the Hospitallers of St. John. And this image is from the Nuestra Señora de la Merced Parish, Tandaba, Pampanga. Thank you to the parish priest, Reverend Father Aristico B. de la Cruz.
¡Viva Agos de la Merced! ¡Viva Agos de la Merced! ¡Viva Agos de la Merced!
Thank you to the Cruz Band, Tony B. Cruz, for accompanying the image of the Nuestra Señora de la Merced. Victoria Tenco Burgos, Treasurer and member of the Board of Directors, Cofradía de la Inmaculada Concepción Incorporated.